drum sound.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Dion back again with another video. So today we're simply just going to be making a beat using stock plugins only. Without further talking, let's just get into the video. So first of all, I have a flex here and I have this wide marimba preset, and I actually already penciled in some notes which I actually like, and I'm actually going to play them and I'm then going to explain them. So the notes, as you can see here, they are in the key of E minor. So they actually sound like this. Yeah, pretty vibey. So I'm actually going to explain them now. So as you can see here, nothing special. The first chord is simply just the E minor, and then we move to a B minor, and then we move to a C major, and then a G major, and then we come down to A minor, and it simply repeats. And the rest of the notes are simply just filler notes, just to give the melody a little bit more rhythm. And then I'm going to do a trick. First of all, let's press Alt S to strum it, and then we're going to accept it. And then we're going to press Alt Q to quantize it, and then we're going to press accept, and now it sounds like this. Yeah, pretty vibey. Just gonna move this one so it sounds right. So the next plugin we're gonna be using is Morphin, and we're gonna be using this Crystal EP, and the Crystal EP is simply gonna play the chords out as they actually are. So the E piano sounds like this. So the next plugin we're going to add is Toxic by Hazard, and I'm going to use this FM piano D, and it's simply going to play the same chords. So we're just going to copy the chords from the E piano, and then we're going to paste them in the Toxic by Hazard. Let's see how it sounds up an octave. Yeah, so now we're actually going to get rid of the bass notes, and then we're going to move every middle note up an octave. Yeah, I kind of like that. So I'm going to mix it a little bit. I'm going to add an EQ to the marimba and then a space slide. And I'm going to add a Fruity Love filter, which will actually just be automated just for some certain parts of the beat, just to keep it a little bit more in the background. Now it sounds like this. On the E piano, we're simply just going to add an EQ, cutting the highs and the lows. And for the Toxic Biohazard piano, we are simply also going to add an EQ, just to separate it a little bit more, and so that it doesn't clash with the rest of the melody. The next thing we're going to add is a Sakura, and we're going to add this paired kind of pipe preset. Sounds like this, and I'm simply going to play something melodic.
Two hours later.
This actually took me a while, but I ended up with this. And we're going to render minimize the velocities a little bit, just to keep it a little bit more natural. So next thing we're gonna add is this vocal. So it's in C minor. So C1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna be moving it up 4 semitones so that it's in the same key as the chords. And then I'll chop it up. Yeah, so now we're actually gonna add a synth bass, and this is simply just gonna play the root notes of the chords, and it now sounds like this. So next thing we're gonna start with is simply the drums. The first thing I have here is a hi-hat, and it actually plays this. I'm gonna pan this a little bit, just for some variation. And a cool trick we're actually gonna do again, we're actually gonna send this to a mixer track, and on the first thing we're gonna add is a fruity phaser, and then a fruity reverb. This will just give it a little bit more ambience and just decrease the wet a little bit, and that's simply it. Now it sounds like this. Add another snare. And then I'm also going to use my favorite perk. A little bit of swing, about 10% swing, and then we're gonna add an open hat. And then we're gonna add these two effects. Next is the kick. So I made a pretty easy arrangement, nothing too special. So I added some variation here and there just to keep the beat interesting. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and all that good stuff. Yeah, we're still trying to hit 1K. So thank you very much for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.
drop sound.